Let's talk about Virtaal. It's a free cat tool. It works in multiple operating systems. It supports these many file formats, and it is the simplest XLIFF editor that you can handle. Now let's see how to download and install Virtaal. Just to type Virtaal download in Google. You will see the Virtaal official website. It comes from Translate House site, and this is the latest version. Click download now. It will take you to SourceForge. Here you will see the latest and the old version. Just the old version is sufficient. Click the button. After the timer, the download will start, and it's a very small file of 14 MB. You can see the download as completed. Just double click the exe file, choose the language, click next, choose the directory, next, Virtaal, install. Excellent. Now Virtaal is installed. It is opened. Now let's open a TMX file. You can also open SDLXLIFF and XLIFF files. Now you can see that Virtaal has opened the XLIFF, the TMX file. Thank you and bye.